He sat the chair and started reading. Option B, on, he sat on the chair and started reading. The book is lying the table. Option D, on, the book is lying on the table. She lives Sarojini Street. Option C, at, she lives at Sarojini Street. The dog jumped the wall. Option A, over, the dog jumped over the wall. He will arrive Monday morning. Option B, on, he will arrive on Monday morning. They have been living here 2010. Option D, since, they have been living here since 2010. We will finish the project a week. Option A, in, we will finish the project in a week. The cat is hiding the sofa. Option D, all of the above options are correct. The cat is hiding under the sofa, or below the sofa, or beneath the sofa. He distributed the sweets his friends. Option B, among, he distributed the sweets among his friends. The train goes the tunnel. Option B, through, the train goes through the tunnel. She is good dancing. Option C, at, she is good at dancing. He went to Delhi train. Option D, by, he went to Delhi by train. There is a lamp the table. Option A, above, there is a lamp above the table. The shop is just dash the corner. Option C, at. The shop is just at the corner. He jumped dash the pool to save the boy. Option B, into. He jumped into the pool to save the boy. She divided the cake dash the 4 children. Option A, among. She divided the cake among the 4 children. The plane flew dash the clouds. Option C, through. The plane flew through the clouds. The painting was hung dash the fireplace. Option D, over. The painting was hung over the fireplace. We waited dash the bus stop for an hour. Option C, at. We waited at the bus stop for an hour. The teacher walked dash the classroom. Option C, through. The teacher walked through the classroom. The ball rolled dash the floor. Option D, across. The ball rolled across the floor. He is married dash a doctor. Option A, to. He is married to a doctor. She is interested dash classical music. Option A, in. She is interested in classical music. We walked dash the river for an hour. Option B, along. We walked along the river for an hour. The keys are dash my pocket. Option C, in. The keys are in my pocket.